to lock the YouTube video, first of all, make sure that your YouTube is installed and updated to its latest version so that it will show the new features which is in the YouTube. After you do this, you can simply open the YouTube as you normally do. And after you open the YouTube, you can see any video that you want to. For example, I see this video.
The movie begins with an
And after seeing
advertisement.
this video, when you pause and click on this screen, you will see on the top right side there is a gear button. And when you click on it, you will see the option of lock screen on the first line. After you tap on this
Have
option,
a revolutionary cosmetic product, beauty water. Apparently, one can transform their wrinkly and old skin into a youth.
your YouTube video is finally locked after this. And to unlock this video, you can simply tap on your screen. And now your video is unlocked. So this is it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe the channel.